How to remove an Instagram account from your account list. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to remove an Instagram account from your account list. So the process of removing Instagram account from your account list is quite simple. So make sure to watch this video till the very end to know the entire process quite easily. So for that, all you have to do is just simply click on your profile section from the bottom right corner of the mobile screen, and over here you will be able to see your username at the top of the screen. Just simply tap on it and you will be able to see all the accounts that are listed over here in your Instagram profile. So in order to remove them from your account list, all you have to do is just simply long press on them, and when you long press on it, you will be able to see the option called remove. You just simply have to click on that, and your account will be removed from your account list. So this is basically how you will be able to remove an Instagram account from your account list. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.